John Akola, the Chief Principal, Kisii National Polytechnic. In Kisii National Polytechnic, we have a student population of 12,700. Out of the 12,700, only 800 are housed or staying in our hostel. So the remaining 11,000 students stay within the community. Now, most of my students stay across the river. And when it rains, it becomes very difficult for them to move from their houses to come to school. Now, that being a challenge, Kisii National Polytechnic, we have various departments. We train professionals in designing of bridges and also making of bridges. So with me here, I have the Dean of Students, and I also have the Head of Mechanical Department. So we have come here today to find a lasting solution for this footbridge, which has been fabricated here, but it's not safe enough for students to cross over the river when it has rained. We are going to use students of mechanical department and also of civil engineering department to come and fabricate a footbridge, which will make students walk across the river even during rainy season. It's one way also of Kisii National Polytechnic giving back to the community and to the society, because we are one team, we stay within the community, and something that we can do to the community we sincerely appreciate. Thank you very much.
Apart from any other CSR you are
we have currently I have met the chairman of the Boda within Kisii town. That is within the Kisii National Polytechnic surrounding. We have sat down with them and we have agreed that we are going to do quite a number of things. First of all is to make sure that they acquire the relevant license. So we are going to offer them some scholarship to train train as drivers, because quite a number of our Boda brothers and sisters are riding Boda, but they don't consider the safety because they may not have that money to pay for the license. So we are going to give them a scholarship. We are also going to look at the Boda sheds, because quite a number of them are ferrying our students, and they are staying on sunshine throughout the day. So we have a number of corporate social responsibility that we are going to do to the community, and we'll do them gradually as we have planned and as we have also budgeted for in our financial year.
Thank you.
My name is Wesley Tonu, the head of Mechanical Engineering Department, Kisii National Polytechnic. I want to thank our Chief Principal for extending a hand to assist the community in building this bridge. I think our students actually are up to the task to construct a bridge across this river, and it will go a long way in even enhancing their practical skills in doing welding and fabrication. Thank you very much.
Nyanyuki, the Dean of Students. We are really grateful for the Chief Principal for the offer he has given to the community. In fact, this river is a linking point to our institution and the other community on the other side. And given that our students are the main beneficiaries, it will be a great deal to our students and the community. Thank you.
So this is Ribanya Komisaro?
Yeah, this is Ribanya Komisaro.
My name is Joab James Wafula, the student chair. We incorporated with the Chief Principal to assist our students who are staying on the other side of our school, so that they could have a conducive environment during rainy season to come to classes. Thank you. And all in all, through the leadership, we'll support the principal with each activity that we have. Thank you.
I'm Ronald Yabuto, the Registrar Team of Kisii National Polytechnic. I want to thank the principal for extending the service of returning back to the community in matters of getting a bridge to cross over for our students. Once we get our students to college, it's our responsibility to also ensure that they come to college and go back safely. So we want to tell the environment, the people around, that we are partnering with you so that we can ensure that our students are very safe. Even wherever they are boarding, we wish that they have also safety, so that we can have them get their skills at the right time, so that they can also give back to the community later. Thank you.